Okay. This is these are the meta stories, the meta AI stories. They used to be called the Ray-Ban stories. I guess they're just called the Ray-Ban metas right now. They came the same day that Llama 4 was released. They come in this box. There's newer ones too, but these are the ones that I purchased. So they come in this box, not quite an Apple box, but close. They have a nice little clean cloth right here, courtesy of Zuck. On this side, we have directions, which you can read elsewhere. It shows you a little bit about breakdown, the power switch, capture button, camera, touchpad, capture LED. I'd hoped that I could get these with plano glass, like plano lenses in them, so they didn't have a prescriptionless sunglasses would be dope. So I switch them in and out and wear contacts with them, but I guess I'm gonna have to get those on my own time and pop them in. So this is the box. I'm a box junkie a little bit. I guess I'll be keeping this with the rest of my, Apple products, Link, shoes, and stuff like that. It's all right. It's nothing to write home about. Definitely nothing to stream about. So let's get into the box itself, right? The case. The case has a nice little USB-C plug in the bottom right here. I'm not gonna said I'm not gonna use a different cord, but I guess I will. So there it goes. It pops right in nicely, and there's a button which, when you press that button, it lights up the case. This window is crazy. So press that button again. There you go. It shows that they are charged and ready to go. When we look in, we can see that the glasses are here and they have arrived in exceptional form. They lock into the nose piece. Right here, there's a little nose piece charging port. It's also magnetic for obvious purposes, that it needs to be adhered and held to the case so it can charge. That's about it. These look pretty similar to every other Meta glasses case. I have some out somewhere else around here for one of my other pairs, but I'll get those. So these are the stories themselves right here. I'm going to be popping these lenses out at some point because I do not want to wear contacts with them in. And they were sunglasses. They should have come as sunglasses. So there's the fit. I'm pretty dizzy with these on, so I'm going to close my eyes. But they power up. You can hear the sound on the side right here. And my prescription is extremely strong. Above a 5, above a 3.5. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is. No stigmatism. So on the sides, you can control the volume. You can control the cameras on the front. We'll bring it a little bit closer so you can have a glance. The buttons are also very sleek and tough to see. So you can see right up here, we have buttons under under my finger right here. So right there. And then over on this side as well is a drag volume controller. So you can turn the volume up, turn the volume down, however you would like. And a very thick side with what appears to be a little reset button right there. I thought it was maybe like a SIM card. It is a SIM card. Okay, so you can pop those out. Those are no, it's not a SIM card. It's not a SIM card. They're speakers. Those are the speakers right here. That's where you hear your little noises and the music that you can play. And I guess I'm going to have to read the directions for the app setup. Under the nose piece, you can see the charge port right here. And you can live stream. It's video, it's camera, obviously, and it is live chat with the... Yeah, I can pop these lenses out with Llama. And there's the blinking blue button that shows it's not really connected to anything. So I'm going to download the app. and work on these a little bit more and see what's up, and post an update video so we can see, you know, exactly what's going on. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay. Yeah, you can probably hear that. All right. This is a Zen live stream, our first one with many more to come. See you soon.